Hello YouTube fam. Today we're cooking one of America's most famous easy recipes, spaghetti. Stay with me throughout the entire video. I really appreciate that in advance. And watch the entire video please, so you can know all of the ingredients that I use. These are just some of the ingredients, okay? Stick with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already started on the spaghetti. I let the water boil, come to a rapid boil before I add my spaghetti. And you just cook your spaghetti according to the directions on the box, okay? Probably gonna be about 10, 11 minutes for cooking time on it, okay? All right. And I always stir mine at least probably about 15 seconds. And then I'll leave it alone. Okay. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already started browning my ground beef. I have not added my seasonings yet. Once it starts browning a little bit more than this, that's when I'll start adding my seasonings, okay? And I'll bring you back, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, the ground beef is browning just a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. I'm going to add a teaspoonful of salt. A teaspoonful of, well, two teaspoons of pepper. Two tablespoons of onion powder. Two tablespoons of garlic powder. Two tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And this ingredient makes the spaghetti just taste terrific. 2 tablespoons of oregano. It makes the spaghetti taste just terrific. Okay. I'm going to continue cooking it and browning the ground beef, and I'll bring you back, okay? Thanks for watching. Stay with me. Okay, now YouTube fam, I'm going to add 1/4 of a bell pepper. And I'm also going to add a small onion diced. This is going to give the spaghetti such a great taste. I'm going to combine these ingredients into the beef, and I'll bring you back. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, the ground beef has browned. I've stirred it, and I've drained the grease, all of the grease out of it. Okay, now what we're going to do is add our spaghetti sauce, and I love ragu. I just love it. I'm going to add probably almost all of this in there, okay? I'm going to stir it. Let me get another spoon, get my wooden spoon for this. Okay. I'm going to stir it really, really well. Okay. I'm gonna let that ragu spaghetti sauce marinate all into the beef for about a couple of minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, YouTube fam, after I add my sauce and let it marinate for about a couple of minutes, I'll add a cup of water. Okay. And then I'll stir it. Okay, what I do now is I'll add me maybe another tablespoon of oregano. That oregano is just going to give it, you know, just a great taste. And I stir it. Mix it very, very well. And then I turn my heat down. And let it cook or simmer for about 30 minutes. And it'll be ready. Well, okay, now YouTube fam, I add a can of diced tomatoes. It makes spaghetti taste just terrific. Okay? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my diced tomatoes. And I'm going to stir them very well and combine them into the spaghetti sauce. Okay? Now, doesn't that look terrific? Let me put it a little closer to you. Okay. Now, I'm going to let the spaghetti simmer for about an hour. And it'll be ready. And I'll bring you back, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam. The spaghetti has simmered for about an hour. And it looks terrific. It looks terrific. It's done. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off. And I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test for you all, okay? It's going to be delicious. Stay with me. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Thanks. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm going to go ahead and fix my plate. I've already put my spaghetti on the plate. I don't put my spaghetti and my spaghetti noodles and my spaghetti sauce together. Some people do. That's okay. This is the way I do it. Got my noodles up there. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti sauce to it, okay? Oh, it looks delicious. Oh, it looks delicious. It's going to be delicious also. You can see all the ingredients that I add to it as far as the bell pepper, the onions, and the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, let's go ahead and do our taste test. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already put my spaghetti on my plate. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look delicious? Okay. With my spaghetti, I usually, well, sometimes I'll fix the salad today. Okay. And I'm gonna have ranch dressing and a little bit of Italian on it. And to drink, I'm gonna have sweet tea, my homemade sweet tea. Okay. First of all, before we get started, let's say our grace. Amen. Okay? Doesn't that look delicious? It's gonna be delicious. Mmm. That is delicious. That is delicious. Mm. 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 Spaghetti is just a simple, easy meal to cook for your family. It doesn't take long to cook. And it's very satisfying and fulfilling for your family. Now, sometimes I'll, instead of a salad, let me get me some sweet tea. That's delicious. Instead of a salad, I'll just have with mine. Well, my daughter, she loves a salad with hers. Her husband, he loves a salad with his. And I like salad with mine. But most of the times I'll cook corn, whole corn or kernel corn with mine. I love corn with my spaghetti. But it really doesn't matter. Whatever you want to fix with your spaghetti is fine. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And I want to thank you for spending some time with me today and watching my video all the way through. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end my video today. And as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget, look in the top left corner of my video, of this video, the top left. And you'll see another video that you may have missed. And it's a home-cooked meal that your family will just enjoy. Please support my channel. I really appreciate that. Like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.